Hello everyone, welcome to a new unclogging video on Hellhole channel. Today we are visiting a complaint site where huge sewage has been accumulated at a street. It's a chowk and four streets are linked with this chowk, and this point is fully loaded with sewage. We will try to unclog this sewer line so this street could be cleared from sewer overflow. Staff is removing this manhole cover to find out where span is blocked. After finding the blocked portion, we will try to unclog that span.
ਯਾਰ ਨਾਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ ਬੰਦ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਨਾ
ਇੱਕ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਖੋਲ ਦੂਸਰਾ
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਦਾਂ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਇਦਾਂ ਨਾ ਕਰੀਏ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਭਾਂ ਪਾ ਫੇਰੀਏ
ਸਰੀਆ ਲਾਓ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਲਾਓ ਤੇ ਸਹੀ ਸਰੀਆ After removing this manhole cover, we have been found that this manhole is not blocked, it's working. You can see that the sewage which was accumulated at this all street has been going back into the manhole. This is a noon time. At the time after 2 p.m., the sewer line got surcharged, and we will hardly find a empty manhole. And the sewer lines which were away from disposal station are got surcharged. This is the manhole which is overflowing, and this overflow is accumulating at that point. You can see the whole street is the sewage is flowing in this whole street and going towards that point, and it was accumulating at this chalk. Inlets of this manhole was blocked. That is why the sewage wasn't entering or going inside the manhole, and it started accumulating. Now staff is trying to unclog the sewer line and trying to find the blockage with the help of this metal wire. What we usually do that. We will try to find the blockage in this span and remove that blockage so the sewer line could be got functional.
ਗੈਸ ਬੰਦ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹੀ ਲਈ
The metal wire was about 50 feet long and totally has been inserted inside the pipe, and the blockage has been stuck with this metal rod or metal wire, and the slightly level difference in the sewage, you can see that it's stopped overflowing, and now it's slightly decreasing the level. As earlier I told, this will won't get empty because this is a time after the noon. The sewer line got surcharged, and there is no way to find an empty manhole, especially the sewer lines which were very away from the disposal station. You can see that the all the sewage which was accumulated at this point has gone back into the manhole. Now there is no more sewage right there. Still some low-lying points where sewage is still there, which we have to wipe into the manhole. And this street was overflowing, which has been stopped, and there is no more overflow. Staff is trying to catch rubbish or blockage as much as possible as they are rotating that metal wire. As they are rotating, the sewage level is decreasing. Now they have been started to remove that wire to find out what was the blockage which has been stuck with this wire. So the blockage has been removed from this sewer pipe. This was the blockage. Now staff is removing it from the wire. You can see it is badly stuck with the wire, and the sewage stopped overflowing. That is all for today. Thank you very much.